Hello folks, in this session we are going to talk about multi-threaded programming in Java. Multi-threaded programming in Java is actually quite simple, and given the number of cores we have, if you have anything substantial in scope to process, say something that takes a lot of time, there is no reason for us to not write multi-threaded programs. Okay. Let's say, for example, you're going to fetch data and do some, say, calculations from a very large table in a database, and the table is partitioned. You could potentially write, uh, simple queries that would go out and work against separate chunks, and then fetch the data, and then you can aggregate and things like that, right? So, uh, there's no real reason for us not to use multi-threading. Okay, it's very simple. We will do a quick demo to demonstrate what it is. After the demo is done, if you have some basic things to run where you just basically need to launch things and they can do their thing and terminate, you can pretty much start coding or multi-threaded programming. Okay. All right, so we'll go ahead and create a new project. Make a Java project. Let me call it multi-threaded programs. Yeah, that's fine. So finish. I just leave it at EE. Again, no cheating here. All right, so we come here and we'll create a new class. So we say com dot Ghoshal Academy dot multi-threaded. Okay, that's fine. I'm going to give it a name, basic thread, and I want a main in there. Once here, we basically have to extend the thread class. Okay, so we can extend the thread. Basic, what is it doing? Okay. Now, in the thread class, there is a run method which basically doesn't do anything. So we got to override it here. Okay. So I'm going to put here public void run. Then let me put a statement here. Start of thread. Let me put actually I don't need to put it here. Let me put it before this. Yeah, sorry, right place. And then I'm going to have another one, end of thread. Because it's going to go split second, to see some action, we're going to put some sleep statement. Okay, so so if you put, say, sleep for a second, you basically have to put a try catch block around it. Okay, so there you go. So that's the beauty of Eclipse, right? No typing needed. Okay, so we're good here, and I think that's it for this guy. So if you had to do some work, you would basically put your stuff in here, and or anywhere. I think you can put it outside and call it, and then you should be golden. Okay. All right. So next we do is we will write a for loop to spawn like 10 threads. Okay. So I'm going to put here a for loop int I equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. Okay. Then in here I'm going to create threads. Thread T equal to new did you call it, basic thread, and then I will say t dot start, and where is my, actually I'll put another start of main, there you go, there's no get name here. Okay, cool. So we basically have a start of main, we're going to loop, create 10 threads, 0 to 9. Then as we get in here, it's going to print this guy, sleep, and then print this guy. So basically, if you have to run anything, you would basically code it here. Okay. So let's save it, see what happens. Let's run it again. So we have start of main 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The end of main came because of I think the timing of it. Okay, but obviously the thread 9 has been started before the end of main. If you put sleep statements here, it will work that way. So let us that'll be interesting actually. Let's do that. So I'm going to catch this to get hold of this guy. Okay, and I'm going to stick it to where, well, maybe after this. Okay, and so this is going to sleep 1 second, and this is going to sleep 2 seconds. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, so after 2 seconds, this guy is finished. Okay, so let's see. So start of main, thread 1 first second, second, then this finished, 2 seconds went by, third second, this guy finished because it's now 2 seconds, fourth second, this guy finishes, is going that way. Okay, and end of main, and then 1 second later this, right? So there you go, a simple program which to launch things in parallel. Okay, so hope you like the session. We will record more advanced topics. So all you need is a class that extends thread, override the run, and you're good to go. Okay, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next session.